Hello guys, how you doing? So today's on Friday, and I had an next. This is my last trade for the week. We have hit TP 123 on GU, and yeah, let me break it down. So my higher time frame was 15 minutes. We can see we've been on a downtrend all the way from yesterday, and then the price created two order blocks on the 15 minutes. We had this guy right here, and we also had this guy right here. So I was waiting for two reactions. It was either price was coming to this one, you know, break structure to the break a lower time frame structure, right? Come back and mitigate us and then go down, or price was going to do the same thing up here. So I was just waiting on the lower time frame confirmation. That's normally my entry zone. So on the 15 minutes, we can see we had this clean order block right here, which left behind a fair value gap, and it broke structure and it went all the way down here, right? So when price was coming up, it mitigated our order block. I went down to the 3 minutes. I went to the 3 minutes order block, a 3 minutes time frame to get my entry, right? As we can see on the 3 minutes, we had this low, so we had a buying momentum, then we had three candles, a retracement, this is a valid retracement, and then we had another buy, right? So we broke structure to the upside right here. So we had a break of structure to the upside, right? And then when price got into our 15 minutes order block, it sold, right? And then we broke structure, breaking this structure right here. And then this was a bearish choke, okay? So when we broke structure to the downside, I was getting ready to look for a sell position, right? So I went up and located the last buy before we started selling. And this was the last buy, right? We had a very minor imbalance somewhere there. If you're very keen, you can see it was very minor, but we had an imbalance there. And then this is our 3 minutes order block. I was targeting a 1 to 3. It's a Friday. I don't want to stay in the market for long. I've had a very nice week, and I was just, it's a quick scalp, 1 to 3. But I could have targeted this area here. If you go to the 30 minutes, you can realize we had a very minor imbalance right here between these two candles, very minor. And that's what price has taken out. You could have targeted that for a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 3.5 or 1 to 4, but I was targeting a 1 to 3. So to make it clear, we had a 15 minutes order block, and then we were waiting for confirmation. We got the confirmation of reconstructed the downside with momentum, and I entered off this order block right here. My stops were just above the price action here, very few pips above it, and I was targeting a 1 to 3, and price smashed our take profit in about 42-43 minutes. You could have targeted this area for 1 to 4, but a 1 to 3 did the job for me, and yeah, I was out of the market in like 40 minutes, and yeah, I'm out right now. I'm done for the week. Hope you had a profitable week, guys, and see you next week as we keep on crushing the markets. Thank you so much, and yeah, see you next time. Have a good weekend. Have a great weekend and enjoy. Thanks.